Tired of anti-aging creams that don't deliver? The secret to younger looking skin might not be in a serum or cream, but on your grocery list. There's one food that protects your skin from the inside out by targeting the real cause of aging. Stay tuned to find out what it is. Why inside out is key. Skin aging is a deep structural problem. It happens in the dermis, home to collagen, the protein that keeps skin firm. Starting in our 20s, collagen production slows down and it's constantly under attack from the sun, stress and pollution. Creams struggle to reach this deep layer, which is like painting over a crumbling wall. Lasting change has to start from within by protecting your existing collagen. The secret food is the pomegranate. These ruby red seeds are a powerhouse for your skin, packed with a special antioxidant called Collagen. This compound neutralizes skin-damaging free radicals and, more importantly, helps preserve the collagen you have. In fact, a placebo-controlled study found that a pomegranate extract significantly reduced wrinkle severity in just 4 weeks. Plus, compounds in pomegranates help your cells spring clean, clearing out damage and re-energizing them from within. So, how do you add this to your routine? Aim for about half a cup of fresh pomegranate seeds or 8 ounces of 100% unsweetened juice daily. A quick warning, pomegranate can interact with certain medications like statins, so please check with your doctor first if you're taking any. It's easy to work into your diet, blend the seeds into a smoothie, sprinkle them on a salad, or use them to top your morning yogurt. True, lasting skin health starts on your plate. By adding pomegranate to your diet, you're giving your body the tools it needs to protect your skin's foundation from the inside out. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more science-backed tips. And tell me in the comments, how will you be eating your pomegranates?